Hello and good day, everyone. Today's video is where me and Lizzie will take a behind the scenes of how we made our videos for a cooking show, Cooking with Miss Smith and Nathan French. I will go to you with the intro for our behind the scenes video.
Welcome to Cooking with Miss Smith and
Nathan French behind the scenes.
Behind the Scenes. What are we cooking today, Nate?
We are cooking homemade, healthy popcorn.
Why is it healthy?
It is different from other kinds of popcorn that usually eat in theaters or at home.
It has less what?
Less sugar.
And butter. So a lot less fats. And so when you make popcorn from a popcorn machine, you actually are doing it the healthier way. So one alternative is using a popcorn machine, or you can use a stove top. But Nate and I are going to show you how to use a popcorn machine.
As you can see, what we're cooking this time is our homemade, healthy popcorn. You might enjoy them in the theaters or sometimes at home, but not like Miss Smith's cooking, or should I say, her delicious popcorn. Now to start it up, we simply turn on the switch to heat up. Then we simply need to add some corn into it.
What do we first need to do? It needs to...
Heat up.
There we go. Do you remember how long?
For 5 minutes.
All right, so we'll wait 5 minutes.
The clock is ticking. Remember, if you're a little too young to do this, ask an adult for help. First, we need some butter. 1 cup. 1 tablespoon.
There you go. 1 tablespoon.
So this is oil so that the popcorn doesn't get stuck
In the cooking machine, okay? So you're going to have to lift this up really carefully. And then we want to pour the oil inside, okay? We have to give the popcorn machine just a few seconds to warm up. And then we'll put in the popcorn.
Now, we need to add 1/3 cup of corn. So they'll be turning out to be, well, popcorn. Carefully place the corn in the little popcorn machine. Carefully close it. Now we just wait till we hear a pop. As you can see or hear, you can hear the popcorn popping right from this machine. Here comes the avalanche of popcorn. Now that the popcorn's made, we just need for the popping sound to be, well, muted. Then we need to get those popcorn into the bucket that's underneath it. I cannot wait to eat these while I do a cartoon. Until next time, I am Nathan French saying good night or good day.
Thanks for coming to Cooking with Miss Smith and...
Nathan French.
How's it taste?
Delicious.
You're missing out if you're not having popcorn tonight.
Or any kind of popcorn. Now I'm going to enjoy my popcorn along with a show called Tough Puppy. If none of you know what it stands for Turbo Undercover Fighting Force. The show was created by Butch Hartman. Look at the description below. Pretty entertaining, isn't it? Now, you'll be able to travel to Liz's house from here. But when the video is up, I will return it back to the present time. So, keep on lookout. See you back in the past. Or should I say, the future. Welcome to our behind the scenes video of Cooking with Miss Smith and me, Nathan French. Allow me to give you a tour guide around our cooking, shall we say, recording site. Now, follow me. Welcome to the House of the Smiths. Pretty fancy, huh? As you can see, this is the place that we recorded all of our, shall we say, #1 hits of our cooking videos. Like this air fryer, for example. That was like the first time we started the whole thing. And the oven is when we did some others. Like, as for the oven, remember how you learned how to make some Pokemon cookies? That is how it happened. Now, I would like you,
there. Welcome to Miss Smith and Nathan's Cooking Show.
our behind the scenes episode this time. Thank you, future me. Well, folks, that concludes our behind the scenes special of Cooking with Miss Smith and Nathan French. Come back after spring break for our latest special yet, for where we make double sausage biscuit. We shall see you on April Fool's Day. Until next time, goodbye and have